All right, welcome back to this episode of Smash Engineering. Today we're working on the 2010 Ford Focus. We're going to be putting a different set of rims on it off of a 2008 SES, I think it is. And we're going to be putting new tires on those rims. So stick around and I'll explain more in a second.
Smash Engineering.
But we got the intro out of the way because, you got to have a good intro. So what we're doing is we're heading on a trip. We're going to be going to Kentucky. And the tires on the car right now aren't terrible. They're not dry rotted or anything, but they're low on tread. And I don't know what kind of rain conditions or weather conditions we'll be in. So the idea is to get a new set of tires on the 16-inch 2008 Ford Focus rims. And then the ones that are on the car, the black ones, the ones that we sprayed black, are going to turn into winter tires. So I'm going to eventually put a set of winter tires on those. And then what we can do is simply, as the seasons change, we can just unbolt and bolt on the rims instead of actually paying to have the tires flip-flopped every time, because that gets expensive. And if you own a vehicle for like 5 years, you add that up, you could have just bought a set of used rims and did what I'm going to do. So I plan on having the car for a while. I love the Ford Focus. It's really easy to work on. It's really nice. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so now that we got the tires mounted, we're going to bring them in here to our local shop and get them balanced. One thing you always want to do is make sure you get all the rocks. If you got rocks jammed in your tires, which these had quite a few jammed in, all depends on how your tread's shaped, whether it gets, whether it's prone to getting rocks jammed in it or not. So we're going to get those balanced and throw them on the car. Alright, well that's going to pretty much wrap up our video. We'll get these center caps put in and take it for a test drive. But yeah, I just wanted to do this video to show you that you don't have to take your stuff to an expensive tire place. You can do it with a manual tire thing. It's not as easy or as fun, but it definitely doesn't take that long, and it's definitely a workaround if you don't have a place near you to do tires, or if you just would rather do them yourself. So thanks for watching. Throw a comment in the comment section, give us a like, and appreciate you being here with me.